How does a session cookie differ from a persistent cookie in web technology? And what are their respective use cases? A. Session cookies store data for extended periods. B. Session cookies are stored on the server. C. Persistent cookies are temporary and stored for a single session. D. Persistent cookies have a longer lifespan and are stored on the client's device. Session cookies are temporary and stored for a single browsing session, while persistent cookies have a longer lifespan and are stored on the client's device, allowing for data persistence. How does the use of a content management system, CMS, simplify web development and content management? And which CMS is known for its flexibility and extensibility? A. A CMS enhances web security. B. A CMS automates web design. C. A CMS simplifies content creation, organization, and publishing. D. A CMS manages email communication. A content management system, CMS, simplifies content creation and management. And WordPress is known for its flexibility and extensibility, making it a popular choice. How does WebAssembly, WASM, contribute to web technology? And in what scenarios is it beneficial for executing code in web browser? A. WebAssembly enhances web security. B. WebAssembly is used for web design. C. WebAssembly allows running high-performance code in web browser. D. WebAssembly manages email communication. WebAssembly enables running high-performance code in web browser, making it useful for web-based games, simulations, and applications that require speed and efficiency. What are the key features of a web application firewall, WAF, and how does it enhance web security for online applications? A. A WAF optimizes web traffic. B. A WAF protects against web application threats, such as SQL injection and XSS attacks. C. A WAF creates web content. D. A WAF manages email communication. A web application firewall, WAF, protects against web application threats like SQL injection and cross-site scripting, XSS attacks, enhancing web security. What does HTML stand for in the context of web development and content presentation? A. Hyperlink text markup language. B. Hypertext transfer markup language. C. High-level text markup language. D. Hypertext markup language. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, which is used to structure and format content on web pages. What does HTTP stand for in the context of web browsing and communication? A. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. B. High-Speed Transmission Protocol. C. Hyperlink and Text Protocol. D. Home-to-Page Protocol. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, which is used for transmitting and receiving web content between web servers and browser. What does URL stand for in the context of web addresses? A. Universal Resource Locator. B. Uniform Resource Locator. C. Universal Record Locator. D. Uniform Record Locator. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator, which is used to specify the address of web resources on the Internet. What is the concept of microservices architecture in web development? And how does it differ from monolithic architecture? A. Microservices use a single, large server. B. Microservices involve breaking applications into small, independent services. C. Microservices focus on web security. D. Monolithic architecture emphasizes web design. Microservices architecture breaks applications into small, independent services, allowing for greater flexibility, scalability, and ease of maintenance compared to monolithic architectures. What is the primary function of a web server in the context of the Internet? A. To access and view web pages. B. To create web content. C. To host and deliver web pages. D. To manage email communication. A web server's primary function is to host and deliver web pages to users when requested, making websites accessible on the Internet. What is the primary function of an API, application programming interface, in web technology, and how does it enable software integration? A. APIs create web content. B. APIs enhance web security. C. APIs enable communication between software applications. D. APIs optimize web page loading. APIs enable communication between software applications by providing a set of rules and protocols, allowing different software to interact and share data. What is the primary purpose of a firewall in the context of network security? And how does it protect a network? A. To create web content. B. To manage email communication. C. To secure and filter network traffic. D. To host web pages. A firewall's primary purpose is to secure and filter network traffic, controlling which data can enter or exit a network to protect against unauthorized access and threats. What is the primary purpose of a web browser in the context of the Internet? A. To create web content. B. To host websites. C. To access and view web pages. D. To manage network security. A web browser is used to access, retrieve, and display web pages and online content from the Internet. What is the purpose of a domain name in the context of web addresses? And what is its role in Internet navigation? A. To identify a web page's author. B. To specify the web server's IP address. C. To provide a user-friendly web address. D. To manage email communication. A domain name's purpose is to provide a user-friendly, human-readable web address that maps to a web server's IP address, simplifying Internet navigation. What is the purpose of a search engine in the context of the Internet? And which one is commonly known for web searches? A. To send and receive emails. B. To create social media profiles. C. To index and search for web content. D. To manage online shopping. Search engines like Google are used to index and search for web content, making it easy to find information on the Internet. What is the purpose of the HSTS? HTTP Strict Transport Security header in web security. And how does it protect against certain attacks? A. HSTS enhances web design. B. HSTS enforces secure, encrypted connections by requiring HTTPS. C. HSTS manages web content. D. HSTS optimizes web traffic. HSTS enforces secure, encrypted connections by requiring HTTPS, reducing the risk of man-in-the-middle and downgrade attacks. What is the purpose of the HTTP/2 protocol? And how does it differ from HTTP 1.1 in terms of performance optimization? A. HTTP/2 introduces web security features. B. HTTP/2 improves web page design. C. HTTP/2 optimizes performance through multiplexing and header compression. D. HTTP/2 is used for email communication. HTTP/2 optimizes performance through multiplexing and header compression, reducing latency and improving web page loading speed compared to HTTP 1.1. What is the purpose of the WebSockets protocol in web development? And in which scenarios is it commonly used for real-time communication? A. WebSockets enable secure web hosting. B. WebSockets optimizes web page design. C. WebSockets provides a full duplex communication channel for real-time applications. D. WebSockets enhance web security. WebSockets offers a full duplex communication channel for real-time applications, making it suitable for scenarios like online gaming, chat, and live data updates. What is the role of a content delivery network, CDN, in web technology, and how does it enhance web performance? A. CDNs create web content. B. CDNs optimize network security. C. CDNs deliver web content efficiently. D. CDNs manage email communication. CDNs enhance web performance by delivering web content efficiently, reducing load times through distributed server networks. What is the role of a load balancer in web technology? And how does it improve web performance and availability for high-traffic websites? A. Load balancers create web content. B. Load balancers optimize web security. C. Load balancers distribute web traffic across multiple servers, improving performance and reliability. D. Load balancers manage email communication. Load balancers distribute web traffic across multiple servers, ensuring even load distribution, improved performance, and high availability for high-traffic websites. What is the role of a reverse proxy in web technology? And how does it enhance web security and performance for large-scale websites? A. Reverse proxies manage web content. B. Reverse proxies serve as a front-end firewall. C. Reverse proxies optimize web traffic, improving security and performance. D. Reverse proxies create web design. Reverse proxies optimize web traffic by handling requests on behalf of web servers, enhancing security and performance for large-scale websites through caching and load balancing. What is the significance of HTTP/3 in modern web technology? And how does it improve web performance compared to HTTP/2? A. HTTP/3 enhances web security. B. HTTP/3 introduces a new web programming language. C. HTTP/3 optimizes web performance through QUIC protocol. D. HTTP/3 focuses on web page design. HTTP/3 improves web performance through the QUIC Quick UDP Internet Connections protocol, reducing latency and improving page loading speed compared to HTTP/2. What is the significance of responsive web design in modern web development? And what problem does it address? A. Responsive design enhances web security. B. Responsive design ensures compatibility with all web browsers. C. Responsive design adapts to different screen sizes and devices. D. Responsive design manages web hosting. Responsive web design is essential for adapting web content to various screen sizes and devices, providing an optimal user experience. Which technology is used for securing online transactions, such as credit card payments on e-commerce websites? A. HTML. B. SSL, TLS. Secure Sockets Layer, Transport Layer Security. C. FTP, File Transfer Protocol. D. POP3, Post Office Protocol. SSL, TLS. Secure Sockets Layer, Transport Layer Security, is used for securing online transactions by encrypting data during transmission, ensuring confidentiality. Which technology is used for sending and receiving email messages on the Internet, allowing users to communicate electronically? A. SMS, Short Message Service. B. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. C. FTP, File Transfer Protocol. D. SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, is used for sending and receiving email messages over the Internet.